Hey y'all, good morning. Well, good afternoon because it is 1:17. I have to print something in my leasing office. We're gonna go do that first. So I got a new job. So I have to print out like a packet that I got for my new job. It's like a checklist. I'm gonna just say it because I'm gonna vlog the whole experience. I am going to be a flight attendant. All right, I'm back. So I printed out everything. My pre-arrival guide. Can you see it? Yeah, I needed it printed because it's a lot. I would say it's about 30 pages. I think it's 38 to be exact. I'm gonna put in some Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I'm also gonna put some Monistat. I have tension alopecia in the middle of my head, right here. And it always pops up every few months. I need to go back to the dermatologist because she told me it's tension alopecia. And when I went back, you know, I had to wait so long for my appointment. A few months, it was growing back. And she said, oh, it's a good thing it's growing. Well, at least it's growing back. That's why I'm using this derma roller. Hopefully it'll grow back. It legit happens every other month. It grew back when I had my locks in. Now it's going again. So I'm just gonna part my hair. I'm just gonna comb it. Alright, we're gonna use Moisture Rip Twisting Cream by Pure Nature. I love this stuff. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit on. This is a dime. I just do whatever. You know how like you season your meat and you just do whatever feels right? That's exactly what I do when I moisturize my hair. Okay? I just do whatever feels right. I don't got no measurements, no grams, no nickels, no quarters. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. This is sealing this moisture. I'm gonna put a little bit of gel and then I'm just gonna do a flat twist. Twist and then twist it down. And then once I twist it down, I'm gonna do a little twirl on the end.
2 days later.
So I'm just gonna put some armor oil on my hands before we pull these out. But girl, look at that. Chill. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Show me the grateful. Where are the grateful? I need to know.
Yo. I look so adorable. I'm gonna go to Dollar General because I want to get that shave powder. It's only $1 General? Whoa, that's pretty far. What, 16 minutes? See, this is what I'm talking about. Dollar General is 16 minutes away in New York. The 99-cent store is right across the street. Dead ass. On every block there was a 99-cent store. This is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. I'm back. So, I got what I came for. The magic. And what I learned today, being nice is contagious. If I'm nice to someone, they'll be nice to me. And then vice versa, you know? Just gotta be nice to people. I am thirsty. I wish there was a Starbucks near me so I could get me a venti water. Because honestly, I do not like to pay for water. Why am I paying for water? I don't. Give me the pipe. I don't care. Give me the pipe. Give me the pipe water, please. I don't care. I got my agua. As you know, your girl was parched from Starbucks.
Photo shoot. Pause, 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 pause.
Powder, because you already know. I needed to find out. It was blowing up on TikTok. Mix 2 heaping tablespoons of shaving powder with an equal amount of cool water. Apply the creamy mixture to the beard, in our case, the pits. Not those pits. These pits. Okay. Leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. Yes! Yes, look at that. This is gone. Until next time. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Alright.
Stay on, say, yo, y'all say it ain't lingerie on that Chardonnay. Scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like ball, man.
Right, so we about to install a wig. I haven't had on a wig in forever. Alright, so I washed my wig. My wig feels so freaking good. I ain't gonna lie. When I first had washed it, it was crusty, dusty, dry. Now it feels somewhat moisturized, and I think I could do something with this. Am I giving Shaka Khan or Tina Turner? Nope, this is Tina Turner. Am I giving Tina, baby? Is it giving Tina? It's definitely giving Tina Turner. Tina after she divorced Ike. The handy dandy flat iron and hot comb. Flat iron may not be baby bliss, but baby is gonna do something to this. Woo! Yo, please. I'll be here a week. This is very, very puffy. It kind of looks like real hair a little bit, how puffy it is. It's reminding me of my Dominican sisters. You know, from back in high school, that's what it's giving me. My Dominican girl who had the crazy highlights and very thick hair. That's what it's giving.
She got that good, good. She Michael Jackson bad. I'm attracted to her for her attractive ass. I like the way you walking if you walking my way. I'm very cool. Now let's fly away.
He say, Nikki, don't stop, you the bestest. And I just keep coming off the top as bestest.
My result, girl, I thought I recognized it. So my teeth are looking dingy. Okay, so I need some white strips. These are my teeth right now. I got the cheapest white strips from Walmart, and we're gonna try it. There are 10 days worth of strips, or 10 uses worth of strips. I'll just read the instructions. Remove product, place adhesive on the front of the teeth, apply lower strip first, wear for 30 minutes, and enjoy a brighter smile. For optimal results, it is best not to brush your teeth immediately before using strips. Okay, cool. I brushed my teeth earlier, so we're gonna use the strips. These are what they look like. This is it. This feels like tape. Bottom done. I'll be back in 30 minutes. I'm about to take off my clothes, hop in the shower. Okay, so it's been on for like 30 minutes. I think it's been on a little bit longer, but I ain't gonna lie, it looks good in the strip. Let me show you. Let me know, do you see a difference? I don't. Looks the same, but this is only day one, so. Hey y'all, so Saturday and I have to pack. I have to pack my whole life because I'm going to be leaving. I'm gonna be moving out. I'm gonna be moving out in less than 2 weeks. Oh my gosh, but let's get started. Let's just start packing. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna have to close out the vlog here. I really truly hope you guys enjoy it. I am trying my best to put my all in these vlogs because I really enjoy vlogging and I really enjoy editing. I don't know if you guys can tell throughout the duration of the vlog. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next upload. Bye for now.